Jonathan just fell off of a trail.
Oh! I might be mistaken. This is eerie.
Is this ski dot's mom? What up, Team Buckhouse? There's supposed to be a mountain there. I don't see it, but not a big deal. We're at Beech Mountain today, and their tow road park is not working. So it's gonna be a hike park, which is also not that big of a deal. So we're gonna hike a park, we're gonna do some runs. We'll probably gonna hike the park while it's foggy, and then when it's not foggy, we'll do some runs. Because if we get 10 feet away from each other, we won't be able to see each other. So, let's go.
Standing right where we're at right now.
Oh, look at that little mic. I thought that Alpine Valley had a scary chairlift, but I
might be mistaken. This is eerie.
That was harsh. Oh man, I'm glad your arm wasn't out. Knocked the wind out of you a little bit.
yeah,
That was a harsh hit.
yeah. Good old head slammer too.
Yeah.
Guys, we got Kenny.
Hey, what's up?
Let's go. And we got the sun finally making an appearance today, which was really nice. But the real person we're excited to see is the ski dot's mom. Let's go. Let's send it.
Let's go. How's it going, guys?
Good. How you doing, ski dot?
I'm so glad it's cleared up now.
All right, so since the sun came out, we gotta change our lenses. We knew the sun was coming out too, so we knew this was happening, but we gotta swap the lenses and then just keep setting it. The mountain is so sick, the snow is not ice. Once again, ice coast, east coast. I don't know this ice you're talking about. I think it's a myth. The conditions are great, we're lucky. And then towards the end of the day, we're gonna hit that hike park and rip some parks. But right now we're making some turns. All right, we got the highlights. Let's go. So something I do at these new resorts, because I just don't know how it is, I use a board lock to keep my board all tied up and everything. If you guys need a board lock or any of my snowboard gear, it is all linked in the description. It kind of looks scary at first, but I have it all broken up, like my snowboard gear, my camera gear, like all the vlogging stuff. It's all linked in the description, so you guys can snag it there. You know what else is linked in the description though? Today's sticker shout out. We got Hoover Mama with the teal Evolution ski sticker. We actually now have the ski sticker in teal, which is a sick color. So if you guys want an Evolution sticker, snowboard, or skier, they're all linked in the description, as well as hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves. We even have like beanies and hats. Like if we have merch, guys, it's all linked down below. So if you do snag any of it, not only does it support trips like this so I can come to Beech Mountain and make awesome content for you, but it also just allows me to do this for a living, which is so sick. So if you snag any of the merch, tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagram for bonus content. We took a bunch of sick and crazy photos up here, as well as I just post. You would know I was at Beech Mountain if you followed the Instagram. So check out the bonus content on the Instagram. You don't want to miss out on anything special. All right, enough talking. It's like a new day. So let's send it.
Why are you running away when you see the light? Is it because you can't get over yourself tonight? Listen to the sirens, you'll hear them call. Be the first to don't even bother at all. When there's no one to blame, it's a hoax, it's a shame, that's all. In the city of dreams, that is all you've been waiting for. Do you ever feel that this place is real and fine? It's a long last battle and no one will take the time. And it brings me down. And it brings me down. When you let it be over, you'll be moving on. I will be telling you everything I know. And hear the crowd scream, hey, hey, let us go.
Again? I keep forgetting it's nothing but rocks right there. Oh, we're almost. Wait. It feels like we're in Mount Hood with us like floating above the clouds. It's so sick. I will say I've never seen so much trash on a mountain before. It's kind of disgusting. Jackson, nice to meet you, dude. Of my life!
I was just.
Are you okay?
He's good.
What happened to you? I almost died! How do we even do that?
He did a 180 and then just came up a little too hot over that edge.
Yeah, I just lost it. Oh, wow!
Give me your hand.
I was scared of that tree, and then I just felt me just like keep going backwards.
To the creek.
I can hop out.
Yeah, I'm like, Jonathan just fell off of a trail.
Yeah, I was just trying to get a little fancy in here, and then maybe scope things before you do them, guys. That's what I would say.
Can you hold the camera for a second? I'm kind of stuck right now.
Yep. I think that was easily top scaredest I've ever been falling in the trees.
Dude, this is so...
Dude, this mountain is so fun. We haven't even hiked the hike park yet, and we're having a blast.
I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Yeah, yeah. Bend that, boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal.
All right, guys. The mountain is sick. It's super fun riding it, but we're gonna come into the hike park now and start ripping some of these rails. It should be really fun. It's way too hot for a jacket though. The jacket's got to come off. I'm gonna have to put the wrap for my ribs under my shirt. We'll see how that goes. All right, guys, we're gonna start with this little flat bar. Should be fun. This makes me think of when we hiked Bogus Basin in Idaho. If you guys missed that video, check it out. But hike parks are still sick. You got to put in the work, but it makes you like appreciate a trick that much more when you land it, when you've walked up for it. Benton's crazy. This rail is heavy. I'm happy I got just a board slide through it, honestly. We are going to go to this little flat bar and film a how to hit your first rail video, which will be sick. If you haven't seen that video yet, I don't know if it's posted or not, but it would be here if it is. But we're gonna go film this video and then I think we're good for the day because I'm getting tired. You guys getting tired? And today I'm gonna teach you guys how to hit your first rail.
Oh gosh.
You're not supposed to slide the rakes, Benton. On that note, we're out of here. What a sick day. The hike park was fun. We made an extra video. It was like foggy in the morning, then it became beautiful. We rode trees in North Carolina. Like, dude, what a sick day. Shout out to Beech Mountain, by the way, for having us out here. They hooked us up, so Beech, thank you so much for the hookup. It's getting busy anyway. Let's get out of here. Shout out to the boys, by the way. Give them a follow. Shoutout, mobile tuning business in Colorado. Hit them up. Bantan. It's got a YouTube channel. It's in the description. Sick day.
That was awesome.
I had so much fun. Where are we going?
Banner Oak Cafe. It's like the best little place to have snacks.
All right, so this is the best. These are the best trips to go on when people have like these like local restaurants to go check out. So here we go. I did make sure I swung in and got my ski beach pin, so I grab a little pin at every single ski resort I go to. Hopefully when we ride all of the resorts, that is the plan, by the way, is ride all the ski resorts. I'm gonna pick up a pin at each one of them. So if you guys want to start doing that too, or if you do collect pins, just so you know, I have an evolution pin to add to your collection. So if you collect pins or you want the evolution pin, you throw it in your hat, it's a hat pin, whatever. Evolution pin is linked in the description. Also, if you want to see where I have gone snowboarding, so many of you guys write me like, have you gone here? You should come here. Have you done here? I have this awesome little website built by our boy Kenny Shellnut. It has like everywhere I've ridden, and then when you highlight over it, it tells you which videos were filmed there. So you can check out the video at your home resort. It's super cool. A big shout out to Kenny for making that. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button. It helps the almighty YouTube algorithm. It will bless me if you smash like and more people can see the video, which is huge. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. My goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible. That's why I make how-to videos, as well as just traveling to all these other ski resorts, showing you guys how sick they are. This was a really fun resort. So if you're in Florida, maybe don't take a trip all the way to Colorado. Come up here, North Carolina. It's a little shorter. and you can ride some awesome mountains. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow, because we post every single day, with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never